YouTube, good morning. It's Sunday, so we're gonna have our Sunday service here, and I'm back at the campsite at the revival, and I just packed up my stuff this morning, all my instruments and everything, and yeah, I want to show you guys. And I'm kind of sore from yesterday. It's been really hard getting up this morning, but yeah, I want to show you guys what I brought. Just so you guys have an idea. I try to make everything portable as I can, just basics, and I try to just break everything down. And I'm gonna be running the XR16, so I'm gonna be going that route. I'm gonna be running it through Wi-Fi, and so I'm gonna try to eliminate as cables as I can. So we're gonna be doing that today. So hopefully I'm going to try to make this video short as I can, just show you guys the basics, how I set up here at the revival status. So let's check it out. Hey there YouTube, I'm back. I'm going to try to do a sound check real quick. I set up everything already and everything's going smooth so far. It's kind of getting late.
Where are you going?
Doing a mic check, so you can hear the music in the background. So far the generator's on and everything's going good so far. I'm running my whole gear through XR16, XR18 actually. So here's my setup. Alright, here we go. Right there's the bass setup there. Right here, I'm running my gear through the XR18 right here, and I went it through the external router, is right here, and I changed the password just for protection. And this is my wireless mic, my backups. That's my sound there, and this one here is my guitar setup. I went ahead and mic'd it. I'm using the Shure mic, guitar mic. Yeah, so far everything is coming out okay. It's my guitar, and I'm using the powered speakers here. So that one's 2000 watt power. And then over here, around the extension cable under here, under the dirt. And over here is I'm going to be controlling my sound here. Controlling my sound here on the Mac. Yeah, here. I have to log in there real quick. So here's my sound here. I'm running. So everything is coming out okay so far. Everything's checking out. And this is it. It's running through Wi-Fi signal, so there's no cables dangling around anywhere. So everything's good to go there, and everything's pretty good. I'm gonna try to play a song real quick just to see how it sounds. Alright, I'm gonna pause you guys and I'll be back.
Yeah.
Hey there YouTube, sound check went okay, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I tried to go step by step, but it was a rush today, so I went ahead and set up everything, and we just ran a good sound check, so everything checked out okay. So hopefully tomorrow's service will be smooth, no feedbacks, and yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm out of here. Be blessed.